Do you operate in cash on delivery system? Do you want to increase your sales and improve your business? If the answer is yes, then don't search too much. Codleadform is all you need to increase your sales by 20%. This application has all the tools that will help you work based on the cash on delivery system. Google Sheets integration. The Codleadform application helps you synchronizing all your orders with Google Sheets and add custom fields. Multiple Facebook pixel feature, tracking the movement of visitors within your store. One pixel is not enough, so you can install multiple pixels without any coding skills. All you have to do is copy and paste. Smart Form Builder. The smart order form on the product page will help you collect orders directly from the product page using a smart order form and provide a faster and easier buying experience, and increasing the conversion rate. The upsell feature, you can at any time, offering discounts and offers that will help you double your sales through the Codleadform upsell feature. The WhatsApp call to action feature. You can receive all the customers' information entered in the order form directly in your WhatsApp business. You can share orders with your business team and suppliers easily. You can try Codleadform application for free for 7 days.